Hollyland Cosmo C2 wireless HDMI SDI video transmission system review. Real multicam proof. You're mid-shoot. The camera moves, and your monitor freezes on a black screen at the worst possible moment. I watched a director scream into his headset because his wireless feed dropped during a live takedown. Type me if this feels too real. Why are we still fighting cables, dropouts, and laggy monitors in the year of multicam everything? That suffocating moment when interference kills your feed costs more than money. It costs trust. Clients see the panic, crews lose rhythm, and your reputation quietly takes the hit. Most wireless systems promise stability and deliver chaos the second another transmitter enters the room. But what if real range, real latency, and real multicam control finally lived inside one compact kit?
Then I plugged in the Hollyland Cosmo C2 wireless HDMI SDI video transmission system and everything shifted. Don't just pick any wireless video transmission system. Make sure it has HEVO 2.0 seamless frequency hopping so you never feel the chaos of dropped feeds and frozen monitors during a live shoot ever again. The 3,000 feet line of sight range turned a chaotic outdoor set into one calm, continuous take. The 33 millisecond latency made monitoring feel instant, not delayed. The 2TX to 1RX configuration meant two cameras into one receiver without juggling extra gear. The embedded NDI, UVC, and RTMP protocols killed the need for capture cards entirely. The frozen frame feature saved one creator who almost lost a brand sponsor when his feed dipped, but the custom logo held the screen until reconnection. The FPS booster smoothed 30p footage into 60p clarity without effort. One sensory detail nobody warns you about. The signal feels heavier, more locked in the moment the antennas align. Stay till the end for a bonus tip most reviewers skip. Quick question, are you streaming, broadcasting, or both?
Here's how the upgrade actually unfolds in real life. First, you save setup time because two transmitters sync into one receiver. Then, your focus sharpens because monitoring stays glass clear at 33 milliseconds. Then, performance climbs because frequency hopping crushes interference automatically. Then, your final output looks visibly cleaner on the broadcast feed. News shooters Matthew Allard called the build robust and well-made, specifically praising the 2TX and 1RX capability as a major workflow leap. Filmmakers Academy described the multi-camera configuration as a genuine game-changer for reducing cable clutter and on-set stress. A real-world case study from Poland documented stable transmission across a 150-meter circle with physical barriers during a world record live event with zero dropouts. One creator on YouTube simply said two transmitters into one receiver works perfectly with NDI, UVC, and RTMP for live streaming. Quick micro quiz. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for range, 2 for low latency, or 3 for streaming flexibility. I get the price hesitation, but when you factor out capture cards, extra receivers, and signal headaches, the math quietly flips in your favor. Curious what surprises most users? It's how quickly the system pays itself back through saved setup hours. Drop your honest reaction below. Come see why so many production teams quietly switched. The Hollyland Cosmo C2 wireless HDMI SDI video transmission system gives you locked-in 3,000 feet range, 33 milliseconds latency, and true multi-camera streaming in one calm, compact kit. No drama, no dropouts, no excuses. The affiliate link is waiting in the description and pinned at the top of the comments below. Tap it, explore the full kit, and see if it fits your workflow today. You deserve a wireless system that finally just works the way it always promised. For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.